Hello students, in my previous lecture I discussed about the construction of line segments using compass and ruler. Today we will study more about constructions. First topic, to cut a line segment from a given line equal in length to a given segment. Let us take an example to understand the concept. Suppose I want to construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 cm. From this segment I have to cut off a line segment AC of length 3.2 cm and then measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. So very first step, always draw a line, long line, so that we could construct a line of measure 7.5 centimeter from this. Now using our scale, we will measure the length equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now mark a point on the line, name it as A, and from this point mark an arc equal to 7.5 centimeter. So I have got a line segment of 7.5 centimeter. Now my second line from this segment, cut off a line segment AC of length 3.2. Now using scale we will measure 3.2 centimeter and we will keep our compass at point A and mark an arc equal to 3.2 centimeter. Now if we have done the correct, in that case our measure of remaining segment should be equal to 4.3 centimeter because total segment was 7.5, this is 3.2, so the difference of these should be 4.3. Now our next question, to construct a line segment whose length is the sum of length of the given segment. Again in the same manner as previous question, we will draw a line L. Now we are said that construct a segment whose length is equal to sum of these line segments. It means we have to construct a new segment, let that is equal to PQ, whose sum is equal to sum of AB and CD. So we will add AB and CD and the sum of these two is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Means on this line we will mark a point and name this point as P because our new segment is of name PQ, right? Now we will measure our segment equal to 3.8 centimeter. We will keep at point P, mark an arc. Now from this point we will mark an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Now another arc equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now 3.8 and 2.5, the total length should be equal to 6.3 centimeter. That I have to do. Always remember we are to name this point, not this or this one. I am giving the name to these intersecting points. Now our next topic, when we have to construct a line segment. To construct a line segment whose length is the difference of the length of the given segments. Let us take one more example. If we are given PQ as 5.4, RS as 2.7, we are to construct a line segment whose length is the difference of length of these segments. It means I have to construct a line segment which is equal to PQ minus RS. Let the name of the new segment is AB. Now as usual we will draw a long line and using our scale we will measure the length equal to 5.4 centimeter. Take a point on the line and mark an arc equal to 5.4 centimeter. Initial point will be named as A. Now we will measure the length equal to 2.7 centimeter. This is 2.7. As we have to get the difference of these two, now I will subtract this part, that is I will cut this segment, and my new segment AB will be of length 2.7 centimeter. This segment can be named as C. I did for 5.4, then 2.7, and the result of the obtaining remaining segment is 2.7 centimeter. So AB will be equal to 5.4 minus 2.7 equals 2.7 centimeter. Now our next question, if AB is 4.5, CD is 2.3, we are to construct the following line segments. First is 2CD. 2CD means twice of CD, means whatever the value of CD, we will multiply that value by 2, or we can say CD plus CD, whatever you feel comfortable you can do. Now this is equal to 4.6 centimeter. Now the new segment, let that be XY. Always prefer to give some different name to these segments because ABCD are already used. We won't take this again. Now once again draw a line. Now measure 2.3 with the help of your compass. Take an initial point here, mark an arc. As length is 2CD, I will take 2 times CD and my new segment will be XY 2.3 and 2.3, that is equal to 4.6 centimeter. In the same manner you will solve the remaining parts of question 8, and your homework is complete worksheet 1 of chapter 9. Thank you.